Are seasonal allergies making you miserable, sneezing, itchy eyes, and a runny nose ruining your day? Don't worry, I've got you covered with the best natural remedies that actually work. Instead of relying on medications that can make you drowsy, these simple, DIY solutions will help you breathe easier and feel better naturally. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to fight allergies the natural way. 1. Local raw honey. One of the most popular natural remedies for allergies is local raw honey. The idea is that consuming honey from your area can help your body build a tolerance to local pollen. Try taking a teaspoon of raw honey daily, either on its own or mixed into tea for potential relief. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to support the immune system and reduce mucus production. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and a little honey, and drink it once or twice a day to help clear congestion and soothe allergy symptoms. 3. Quercetin-Rich Foods. Quercetin is a natural antihistamine found in foods like onions, garlic, apples, and berries. Eating these regularly may help stabilize cells that release histamine, reducing allergy flare-ups. If needed, you can also take quercetin supplements for an extra boost. 4. Neti Pot for sinus rinse. A simple but effective DIY solution is using a neti pot to flush out allergens from your nasal passages. Mix 1 cup of distilled or boiled water with a half teaspoon of sea salt, and use a neti pot to rinse your sinuses. This can help remove pollen and reduce congestion naturally. 5. Herbal teas for allergy relief. Drinking certain herbal teas can help soothe allergy symptoms. Try peppermint tea for decongestion, ginger tea for inflammation, or green tea, which contains natural antihistamines. A warm cup in the morning can make a big difference in how you feel. 6. DIY essential oil allergy blend. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus can help open up airways and reduce inflammation. Try diffusing these oils in your home or mix a few drops with a carrier oil and apply it to your chest and temples for relief. You can also add a couple of drops to steaming water and inhale the vapor. 7. Anti-Inflammatory Diet. What you eat plays a big role in how your body handles allergies. Focus on an anti-inflammatory diet by eating foods rich in omega-3s like salmon and walnuts, and reducing processed foods and dairy, which may contribute to mucus buildup. 8. DIY Allergy Relief Smoothie. Here's a quick DIY Allergy Relief Smoothie recipe. 1 cup of spinach or kale. 1/2 cup of pineapple, anti-inflammatory. 1/2 apple, rich in quercetin. 1 teaspoon of local honey. 1 cup of almond milk. Blend these together for a delicious, allergy-fighting drink. Now that we've covered some effective natural remedies to relieve your allergy symptoms, let's talk about preventing those pesky allergies in the first place. While it might not be possible to completely avoid allergens, there are steps you can take to reduce your exposure and keep symptoms at bay. Keep windows closed during high pollen seasons. During peak allergy season, pollen levels can be at their highest, especially in the morning. Keeping your windows closed, both at home and in your car, can significantly limit your exposure to pollen. You might also want to invest in a high-quality air purifier for your home. A HEPA filter can trap pollen, dust, and other allergens, making the air in your space cleaner. Shower after being outdoors. Pollen can easily stick to your skin, hair, and clothing, so after spending time outdoors, be sure to take a shower and change your clothes. This simple step can help remove pollen from your body before it has a chance to settle into your home, reducing the likelihood of triggering allergic reactions. Use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your nasal passages and exacerbate allergy symptoms, so using a humidifier in your bedroom or living area can help keep the air moist and reduce irritation. Just be sure to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent mold growth, which can lead to other health issues. Eat allergy-fighting foods. In addition to the quercetin-rich foods I mentioned earlier, certain foods can help boost your immune system and reduce allergic responses. Foods like ginger, turmeric, and omega-3 rich fish can reduce inflammation and help your body manage allergens better. Consider adding these to your diet regularly, especially before allergy season starts. Nasal saline rinse as a preventive measure. Using a Neti Pot or saline spray daily as a preventive measure can help rinse out any allergens that have entered your nasal passages. Doing this in the morning before you start your day can help keep your sinuses clear and prevent allergens from triggering an allergic reaction. Wear sunglasses and a hat outdoors. When you're outside, especially on high pollen days, wearing sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat can help protect your eyes from pollen. This prevents pollen from landing directly on your face and eyes, which can reduce irritation and the onset of allergy symptoms. Taking steps to prevent allergies can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the season. Whether it's making small lifestyle changes or incorporating some of these preventive habits into your daily routine, you'll be able to enjoy the outdoors with less discomfort. Seasonal allergies don't have to control your life. With these natural remedies and DIY solutions, you can find relief and enjoy the season without depending on medications. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found these allergy tips helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health solutions. If you try any of these remedies, we'd love to hear how they worked for you in the comments below. Until next time, breathe easy and stay healthy.